Most businesses struggle to turn AI ideas into real results. With n8n, you can build complete AI workflows that connect directly to your data, and over 500 apps, all in one visual editor. Create multi-step AI agents, automate processes, and scale faster than writing code from scratch. Visit n8n.io and start building your first AI workflow for free. Are you tired of irrelevant online ads? Frustrated by endless pop-ups and privacy concerns? The solution lies in understanding cookies. These small data files enhance your online experience by personalizing content, securing logins, and tracking preferences. Cookies improve user security, ensuring you only see ads tailored to your interests. They streamline browsing without needing constant logins. Most importantly, they help brands connect with you effectively. Unlike competitors, our cookie solutions prioritize user privacy while enhancing marketing efficiency. Don't settle for a generic online experience. Join us in embracing smarter, safer browsing today.